Greetings, Benjamin J from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, I just wanted to do a quick video on that little blue plastic tender that I found at the thrift store. Anyway, as you see, it no longer looks like a toy. I lightly sprayed this with some flat black primer, and you can even see that it has a bit of a design in it. And it is made remarkably similar to a Marx car, especially with these artificial four-wheel trucks. Anyway, sprayed it with some black primer, and it is now a railroad car. No one would ever think this came out of a toy box. It looks very much like all the other rail cars. Being black, it just seems to blend in. So, as you see, instead of having a blue anomalous car that looked like a toy, we now have an interesting black car that looks like a railroad car. Anyway, it works. And as I'm always stressing, maybe I overemphasize this, if you're doing this on a budget, this is the best way to do it, is to find some junky stuff that you can pick up as cheap as possible, get it running, and a bit of spray paint and a few hours of your time, you can turn any one of these things into a real showpiece, if you wanted to do that. You can custom paint the cars, you can custom paint the locomotives, but all I do, the whole idea of this entire setup, is I just test these things, see what they can do, modify them, how much can they pull, how fast can they go, what pulls better than what, and why. That's the important thing. And so these are set up just basically as test tracks. I take cars off, I put cars on, test different engines. There'll be a new engine here tomorrow, in fact, I found on eBay. Another $9.99. Excuse me. Paint fumes in the room here. Anyway, I just wanted to show a quick video of that little blue car. As I said, it doesn't look like a toy anymore. It looks like a model train car. So, an interesting way to get a piece of rolling stock. And it's a piece of interesting rolling stock. I've never seen it before. And I have absolutely no idea what this was or what it's to, but it is now a piece of rolling stock. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. Don't overlook the junk. This was a quarter, and it's on the layout, running, a little bit of paint, and you have a new piece of rolling stock. Anyway, just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com, and as always, thank you for watching.